What's up, online shoppers? If you ever wished that you could have the comfort of your granny's porch rocker with the convenience of a portable chair that folds up flat, stows in your car, and you can take with you to any sort of an outside function, you're going to want to check out the GCI Outdoors Freestyle Rocker XL. Now, this is an outdoor chair on another level, and I am so much in love with it. It is comfortable, it is sturdy, it is convenient, it has lots of great features. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Now, for starters, it weighs 11 pounds, so it's not too heavy to cart around, and it does have this built-in handle, which makes it nice and easy to transport. Opening it up is a breeze. You literally just press the seat open like that. You can see that it has a really nice wide seat base. It has nice ripstop with memory foam armrest covers right here. It's got a really nice breathable mesh here for great air circulation on those hot days so you don't get a sweaty back. The entire construction of it here and the seat, all made of a really durable, weather-resistant nylon ripstop canvas, which is pretty awesome. And it is actually rated for up to 400 pounds. It's got a nice wide base, so you can sit in here quite comfortably. Now, this is sort of an upright posture, so if you prefer sitting upright with really nice back support, this is definitely a rocker that you're going to want. What sets this chair apart from all the other rockers is this spring action technology that they have at the back here that guides the rocker. It makes it so that this chair is going to rock smooth on any surface, and that's pretty awesome. You saw how easily it folds and unfolds. That's pretty fantastic. And a couple other cool features. It does have this really nice drink surface. It's this nice fold flat table. You just have to lock it in place with these two little levers, and then it's super sturdy. Now, what else I like is that the drink holders here actually fit your beverage. Watch. Look at that. Definitely the right size for whatever kind of mug you have, whether it's an oversized water jug or your beverage cooler. It's got a little hook here so that you can hang things if you want to, your marshmallow sticks. Nice little convenient spot here to slide your phone. I like the convenience of having this little table at the side here that also is a great selling feature for this chair. You basically can't find a chair that is more comfortable or rocks better than this GCI Outdoors Freestyle XL rocker. It is comfortable, it is convenient, it folds flat so you can store it in the back of your trunk or in a corner in your garage without taking up a lot of space. And I love that it has that built-in handle. It makes it super easy to move around. If you're looking for a portable chair that you can take tailgating, to kids' sports, to backyard parties, to campfires, to times on the beach, this is definitely a chair that I would want to have because it's comfortable, it's versatile, it's stylish, it's got so many great built-in features. The GCI Freestyle Rocker XL, definitely a family favorite at my house.